So this is another tutorial or a preview of the Wardialer and auto SMS messaging application for Android. There's two services. You can get a text file with a list of numbers on each line on the text file. So line 1 would be a phone number, 10-digit phone number. The next line would be another one. So a list of people that you want to call. For example, if you're a calling agency that has a list of numbers and you have to call those clients, this app will call the first number on the list, and after 30 seconds after the call is hung up, or you got hung up on, or the call dies, and the phone will wait 10 seconds and then call the next number on the list, and it will continue to do this. You can always pause it if you need a break. However, let's add that list to the call service. So we click call service, we load file. I have the file here. Let's change this. Phone numbers list format. There's phone numbers with dialer pause. We can show you that after. Okay. Okay, so the list is there. Now we're going to an automatic speakerphone as well. The speakerphone will stay on the whole time, so if you want to be hands-free and you're sitting at your desk and you have tons of calls to make, this is a very convenient Android application for that. You hit stop service to stop it temporarily for pause. Let's start it and see it in action. Okay, so it's calling this one. It's ringing. The speaker wasn't on actually, so I'm going to hang up on that. It's going to close the dialer. This is automatic by speaker is now on. So I'm waiting and it's just going to call. I'm not touching anything at this point. It's going to call the next call anytime now. There it goes. Next one, we'll dial. Speaker is on. We'll hang up. Wait 10 seconds and the next one will dial. So this is a good call center. Wardialer is what it used to be called, auto dialer, and also for the text messaging it does something similar. It will do every, here it is again, another number on the list. Speaker is on. We're hanging up. Now I'm going to stop the service and quickly show the SMS service. Stop that service. We're going to go back, the message service, load a file. This is the list, and the list is separated with a semicolon. So you have the number on the line with a semicolon and then the message you want for that user, the text message. So that is loaded. We're going to start the service and it's just going to pop up a toast message, SMS sent to that number, and it'll actually confirm when the delivery arrives as well. So we'll leave this for a minute. It goes every 50 seconds, 50. So I'm going to leave it to let it send a few messages and then speed up the video, and that's it basically. So check out these apps, and yeah, if you have a use for them in business, this makes sense. There's a lot of online services that charge you for this type of service, like Twilio or Call or Text Now, and you can have lists of 500 numbers and they charge you per text message. I don't know why you would do that. You can just set up your own list, your own text file, and or Excel sheet. This works with CSV files as well, and just do it yourself, right? So that, check it out. It should send the next message shortly. So these type of apps, they don't allow on Google Play Store. There are some, but most of them are very inferior. A lot of the text message bombers, multi-text message apps, bulk text messaging applications. There's a million of them. Most of them are garbage. They don't work. So this one is, I guess the other message has fired already, and that's that. So you can have as long as a text message list as you want in your text file or your CSV, and this will automatically send those. So that's that. Check out the other apps. Save the World. There's the next one that just sent. Save the World, the WinSys app. and Doucher Blasters, a few free ones and a few high-end text message marketing apps. So that's that. Take care, guys. For the Wardialer calling and text messaging automation tool, you're going to need a formatted text file that you're going to pull from your phone. Looks like something like this will be the format you use to send automatic calls or to make the automatic calls and then automatically hang up. You're going to use this one format. So each line has a phone number that you want to call. It'll call. Once that call is hung up, it'll wait 10 seconds and call the next number. And like I said before, you can always pause the service and take a break and whatnot. Another optional type of list is like this. If it was, for example, if it had a prompt and you wanted to wait X amount of seconds, that's what this comma is. It signifies waiting or a pause, because some of these IVRs, the phone systems that, for example, say if you're looking for customer service, push 2, and sometimes there's multiple options. So in this case, it waits, I believe it's 10 seconds. Each of those dots is a 5-second pause, I believe. And so it would wait 15 seconds, hit 0, it would wait 10 seconds and hit 2. That's another method that you can use. And finally, for the SMS format, you would use something like this. The phone number you want to text to, and then the semicolon, and then the message right after. And it doesn't have to be the same message. It can be the same message, or it can be different messages as well. And of course, different numbers. Each message could have, or each number could have the same message to send, bulk, or you could have a customized message for each as well. If you're a programmer, you could build some sort of CSV file with the semicolon as the separator, and you can import the CSV file as well. So those are the file types you're going to need for the Wardialer, and I hope that helps some people figure this out. Take care.